Trabaho o negosyo? Answer, of course friends, trabaho muna. Then pag may trabaho na tayo and mag-ipon muna tayo. Savings. That is important. Now, kung may savings na tayo, may ipon na tayo, may job security na tayo, so that's the time we will invest and have a small business. Transition tayo gradually from employee to business owner. Simple said, trabaho muna, then negosyo. Yan ang gawin natin, friends. Personally, yan ginagawa ko. 29 years ako naging employee sa government office. Then gradually, nag-shift ako from employee to business. While 29 years in service ako sa government, 10 years na din ako na business owner. So ngayon, since stable na po yung business ko, meron na akong passive income, meron na akong mga trusted employees, it's time to be a full-time business owner. Kaya friends, pwede na tayo mag-early retirement. Hindi na tayo maghintay na maging 60 tayo or 65 bago tayo mag-retire. So, mas maganda kung tayo ang boss kesa working with the boss, right? As the saying goes, be the boss. So, how to be the boss? Be a business owner. Kasi once na may negosyo tayo, maganda yan kasi forever yan. And matransfer natin sa mga anak natin at mga relatives natin. On the other hand, ang trabaho po ay hindi natin matransfer. Once na mag-retire tayo, stop na tayo, right? Whereas kung may negosyo tayo, successful tayo sa business, ay matransfer natin yan sa anak natin, sa apo natin, if matanda na tayo, right? And it's better to focus on passive income than active income. Again, friends, trabaho muna, then negosyo. Simply said, active income to passive income. So yan ang gawin natin, friends, kasi yan po ang tama. So do not work for money, money works for you. Ayan po. Thank you for watching. Two thumbs up.